I'll take just 5 minutes of your time, but in this short period I'll show you how to create a gaming thumbnail for a YouTube channel using only 2 programs and an AI model. This is the final thumbnail we'll be making, and trust me, it's super easy to create. I'll prove it to you. But before we start, leave a like and let's get rolling. When I create a gaming thumbnail, for example for Dota 2, I use Source Filmmaker to extract a high quality in-game character model. Then you need to switch to editing mode, open the animation set editor tab and create a character. The character is called Meepo. By the way, he's my favorite character in this game. We have the option to choose any outfit for the character. In my case, I'll go with the rooster outfit. This program allows you to move the character's limbs and pose them however you like. I'll try to create a more confident stance with an open mouth. Once the camera and pose are set, go to File, import poster and save it wherever you want with an alpha channel. Now open Photoshop and let's see why we needed the alpha channel. It's simple. This allows us to cleanly cut out the character from the background without any issues. The idea behind this thumbnail is to create a face-off between 2 characters. One will be Meepo and the other will be a mystery player from Team Navi. The next step is to add a gaming background, and I'll place a line between the characters to create a versus effect, emphasizing the confrontation. Next I'll add lighting effects behind the characters. The right character will be highlighted in red, symbolizing serious intentions, while the left character will have a white light, representing a weaker position. I'll add some anonymity to our left character, as he looks a bit too cheerful. Additionally, I'll place the NAVI logo next to him to make it clearer who he represents. Click. I'll apply my super secret color correction, which you can get by leaving a comment asking me to finally make a video about how to properly adjust color grading in thumbnails. Click. Let's add some depth to our work. To do this, I'll apply a lava texture to the transition line, making it more intense. As for the NAVI logo, I'll give it a 3D effect using the Eye Candy plugin. Now, I'll add fire behind Meepo, making the final composition more visually striking and engaging. For our anonymous character, I'll apply an inner shadow in the blending options to enhance the mysterious effect. And don't worry, everything will be further improved using AI, making the final result even better. I'll use a pre-made VS text effect, so I don't have to spend too much time creating it from scratch. And now the most interesting part begins. Since we have our sketch ready, we can upload this work to ChatGPT and it will generate a detailed prompt for AI image generation. This way, the AI will precisely describe what's happening in the image, saving us time from writing the description manually. Now, we're diving into Stable Diffusion, a program that can be quite complex for beginners. If you've never used it before, I recommend watching some introductory tutorials first before continuing with this lesson. Alternatively, you can use Crea, which also generates great images but doesn't handle in-painting as well. So, the choice is yours. Personally, I prefer working in Stable Diffusion. It gives me more control and flexibility. By the way, I almost forgot to fix one important detail. I need to improve Meepo's mouth, as strange as that may sound. I'll remove the pipe from his mouth and add shading in the style of Mr. Beast to make the lighting more dynamic and eye-catching. And now, we return to Stable Diffusion to continue working. After a few generations, we can select the best image, then bring it into Photoshop for further editing and refinement. And that's pretty much it. We apply final color correction for the ultimate visual polish, and we're done. We've completely transformed the low-quality original image, replacing it with an enhanced AI-generated version, resulting in an absolutely stunning thumbnail. Hope you left a like, and for those who watched until the end, drop a comment on what topic you'd like to see next. See you soon, take care and goodbye.